సార్ 2 క్లాసెస్ లో ఏం చేంజెస్ చేయొచ్చు అంటారు? బానే ఉన్నాయి క్లాసెస్. ఉన్న సెషన్స్ చూసారు కదా మీరు?
చూసాను.
ఎట్లా ఉంది క్లాసెస్? ఏదైనా చేంజెస్ చేయాలంటారా? ఏం ఎవ్రీథింగ్ ఇస్ ఓకే?
లేదు మ్యామ్, స్టార్ట్అప్ లెవెల్లో ఇబ్బంది ఏమి ఉండదు. సో దాంతో దే కెన్ ఏది స్టార్ట్ అప్. టూల్స్ కూడా బాగానే చెప్పారు కాబట్టి, సో వన్స్ దే స్టార్ట్ ఎక్స్ప్లోరింగ్ ఈజీలీ వాళ్ళు ఓన్ గా చేసేసుకోవచ్చు.
Sir, how was your company and branding company?
బాగుంది మ్యామ్, బాగుంది. ఇప్పుడు హోమ్ టౌన్ లో ఉన్నాను మ్యామ్.
Sagar is from Hyderabad and he's our supporting team.
వాట్స్ ఆల్రెడీ 3:15 మ్యామ్.
స్టార్ట్ చేసినాం క్లాస్ చేద్దాం.
టైం తీసుకుంటది కదా స్టార్ట్ చేసిన. ఎంతమంది ఉన్నారు?
అంటే 18 అయ్యారు. జస్ట్ ఒక 2 minutes వెయిట్ చేసేస్తాం.
ఓకే మ్యామ్.
If anybody wants to talk, unmute yourself and talk. Just in 2 minutes, I will start the class. Achana madam, if you don't mind, can you tell me the famous ringtone sound name of please of your mother? Madam, I don't know what it is. Harish garu, hi andi. Harish garu, good afternoon andi.
Good afternoon andi. Sorry for the late.
Sir, నిన్న వెళ్ళిపోయారు. నేను చాలా సార్లు అన్న లాస్ట్ అయిపోయేటప్పటికి మీరు లేరు సార్.
లాస్ట్ లో అంటే కరెక్ట్ కస్టమర్ వచ్చారండి, టక్కన ఫోన్ పక్కన పెట్టి వెళ్ళిపోవాల్సి వచ్చింది.
ఓకే సార్. ప్రదీప్ శెట్టి గారు, హాయ్ సార్, గుడ్ ఆఫ్టర్నూన్ సార్. Some people are following the class and doing the work and sending me the work. I'm very happy for that. And some people are asking the doubts. Everyone is following, and I'm very much happy. Yeah, I'm starting the class now. Yesterday we have learned all the tools. I learned all the tools, everything we have learned yesterday. Today we will be learning how to give the blending mode. When we image, if you take the image to the other image, both will be, they should overlap each other. I will say you take the picture here. Take here this picture. If you take from one picture to the other picture, this is different from this. If you want this picture to combine, oka picture lo okelaga undalannappudu oka blend aa rendu pictures blend avvalannamata. They should be equal part. Then we have to go for blending modes. If you keep there will be the effect will be there. A little bit of effect will be there. Today we will be learning about these blending colors. Means oka color inkoka background color toti ee image కలర్ ఎట్లా బ్లెండ్ అవుతుంది అనేది నేర్చుకుందాం టుడే. These are the blending modes. When we are using the picture, if you keep this, it will be blending with the background picture. Background picture toti colors toti blend అవుతూ ఉంటాయి. ఎలా blend అవుతాయి అని చెప్పేసి how these colors will be blending means mixing these colors. How these colors will be mixing అనేది today's class is that. After that, after these colors blending, I will say you about the business card. How to design a business card. So let us not waste today. First I will keep it the normal. This normal one is these two colors won't interlap. Means oka color nunchi oka color ki manaki overlap avutundi. This is called the normal color. It does not interact with each other. This is the about the normal. Oka normal lo తీసుకుంటే if you keep the you have kept now. Here the image is upper side and the background image, these both are different pictures, no overlapping or there. These two pictures are not blended. So if you want to make the blended means the colors anedi interact avali ante appudu you had to use the blending mode. If you use the dissolve means if you observe that not about this picture, when you keep the above picture you had to select and keep the blending mode dissolve. If you observe the picture, I will zoom the picture, then edges will be like a dissolving. The edges are dissolving. When we give the option dissolve, edges of the picture will be in a dissolved mode. This is called the dissolved mode. This is about the dissolve. I will show these blending modes. These are the type of blending modes. In the blending mode groups, there are groups are there, and these normal group have normal dissolve. Means these two colors they won't be overlapping each other. Means our colors when we check this, when we select these groups, they won't be overlapping. When this is about the darken. These options they will be darkening the colors, background or foreground. These make the image to darken. These options make the lighten. This is the contrast group. In contrast group, overlay, soft light, hard light, vivid light, linear light, pen light, hard mix is there. Next, we are going on to the inversion group. The inversion group, the difference means the difference will come on the inversion group. In the cancellation group, exclusion, subtraction, division. In the component group, hue, saturation, color, luminosity. Where we can get this ante. If you press F7, layers ki F7 press chestam kada. If you press layers F7, there if we go here, if we press here, these will be the type of blending modes. Entavi blending mode ante normal dissolve. Then this is the opacity. If we reduce here opacity, the picture will be going on lightening there. This is the opacity. When you go on the lightning here means if you want to decrease the resolution. Okay, resolution of picture, if you want to make the picture to reduce the color, then you have to reduce the opacity. If the opacity is 100%, then the image has the 100% resolution. Then after this is also a fill. This is also a resolution. This also reduces the opacity. Means this also reduces the resolution. If you check the dissolve, the picture edges will be dissolving. This is about the dissolve. If you check the here we can find the edges of the hair are dissolved. Edges of the image are imaging the dissolving. This is the dissolve. Then if you keep the normal, the edges are normal now. Then if we go for the darken, if we observe the darken, this makes the picture dark. What is the difference between these dissolve and means? Image అనేది dark చేస్తుంది. Darken itself, the name itself says the darken. what it does means darken removes the white color అనేది picture లో remove చేస్తుంది అన్నమాట. That is, if we observe the picture, the dark color, the black color will be there, but the white color will be hidden అన్నమాట. White color అనేది కనపడదు ఈ darken mode అయితే. After that, multiply. In this multiply, one thing I will say, multiply అంటే మ్యాథ్స్ లో ఏంటి, మనకి ఒక నంబర్ ని మల్టిప్లై చేయడం అనేది మ్యాథ్స్ లో అన్నమాట. ఇఫ్ యూ మల్టిప్లై the zero with any number, the number will be 0. If you multiply anything with the 1, the number will be the same. As I said, I will say, if you take the black color, the number will, if we select here 0 0 0, that will be the black color. Eppudaina black color ki 0 0 0 0, the color code for the black will be 0 0 0, and the color code for the white will be 1 1 1 1 1. The color code will be the 1. So if we in this multiply mode, if we take the picture and select the multiply, only the dark color, only black color will be visible and the whites will be hidden. This is also the same, but same black will be, we can see the black mostly, and the rest of the colors also, light colors are maybe hidden out there. Only the black color mostly will be the showing. After that, we'll go to normal mode. This is the color mode. Some important effects will, I will show you some one thing there. In this blending mode also, most important ones I am showing you. These are the special blending modes. Which we use mostly special blending modes. These things if you learn, we will use these things in the when we are doing the work. Color burn, linear burn, color dots, linear dots, vivid light, linear light, hard mix, and the difference. These are the special blending modes. Now going on to the color burn. Color burn అనేది కూడా ఒక special blending mode అన్నమాట. If we check the picture, take the picture and make the color burn. What it was doing is it was making the color burn. అంటే ఒక బ్లాక్స్ అనేది బ్లాక్ కనపడుతుంది, ఈ పిక్చర్ లో మనకి వైట్ అనేది వైట్ కనపడుతుంది. If means it was taking the black, I will say, take the brush. If I draw white color, yeah. Black. I have took the black and blue. Next I am taking the white. Then what it was doing is, it was showing the white and black same in the image, but now the picture is in color burn. It was showing the same color when we are selecting the color burn. If we keep the normal one, the picture is black and white. If we take the picture as select as the color burn, this is the color. Yeah, the black is black and the white is white, same. But the rest of the colors, it was giving the darkness of the picture. It is about the blending mode of the color burn. Next, going on to the next one, darker color. This is also a bit same to the darken. This is about the darker color. Darker color and here the lighter color. These both things are same as the name indicates. When we check this picture, when we check this option for the darker color, the picture changes into the dark. Whereas in the lighter color, the picture changes into the light color. This is about the color modes here. When we take about the screen, it will making when we check the blending modes, this is the lighten group. Now we have checked the darken, multiply, color burn, linear burn, darken color. These options make the picture darken group. This is the darken group. Now this is the lighten group. If you check here, the image has become light, dull, and light. This is about the light and color. Next, moving on to the soft light. In the soft light also, a white will be displayed, but the black will not be displayed as it is the lighter color, lighter group. This group is the lighter group. Black color, it will hide the black color, but it will give the white color will be displayed here. Hard light. In the hard light, both black color are displayed, light color is displayed, but the image is a little bit, it was making the picture light color. In the vivid light also, same we can observe that a little more darker than the vivid dark light. This is also a same option. If you go on checking this, a bit means this group all, if you go on checking this, linear light, vivid light, everything will be in the same mode because these are the lighter color modes. If we go for the difference, what is the difference? Difference A group lo on the blending mode, difference anedi inversion mode lo undannamata. If we check this, a bit it will be a different mode. Now it is in the normal mode. If you go and check about the difference, now we can find the colors are blended here, means left part of these blended and the right part is not blended. That is, this is showing the difference between the picture. Here this part is differently formed and this part means a picture key different types of in a blending. It was blending in two different modes. Means here it is the normal picture and here it is the type of the negative type. This is the difference. It was showing the difference for the picture. That is about the difference. Next, about the exclusion. This is also the same as because it is it was also dividing, but a bit darker means a bit better than the difference. This is in this bit. If we check here, this is the cancellation group. Means in this cancellation group, the image will be differentiated into two types. In blending mode, it was blending in two different types. Here in the before picture, in the vivid light, if we observe the exclude difference, we have here the difference is darker color. Whereas if we observe in the vivid light, not in here, not vivid. Exclusion, here it is a lighter, so that is the difference. Then if you go to subtract, means it subtracts the color, means which one it subtracts, white color ni subtract it subtracts the color of both of the picture, means two color is subtract it replaces with the black color and the rest of the part will be in the other mode. This is the subtract. Divide another completely the white base, white ni display chestundi, black ni hide chestundi. If we then we go for the hue saturation. These four things are very important. ఒక హ్యూ సాచురేషన్ అనేది ఇప్పుడు ఇక్కడ చేసినప్పుడు మనం ఇమేజ్ ని ఒపాసిటీ కూడా తగ్గిస్తే దాని కంప్లీట్ ఎఫెక్ట్ అనేది మనకు అర్థమవుతుంది. ఇఫ్ యూ మేక్ హియర్ ఒపాసిటీ అండ్ ఇఫ్ యూ కీప్ ద హ్యూ సాచురేషన్, then it will be we can find a dull type of picture. This is called hue saturation. In the hue saturation, we find the colors. Picture will be in the color form, means black, white, they both won't be displayed. There's a color. Rest of the colors will be displayed here. This is about the hue saturation. In the saturation, this is the colors are in the light color mode. The black and white are hidden, but the rest of colors are also in the light mode. Color, this is about the color, means if you find the picture here, when these color modes, these blending modes, we can learn only if the upper and two layers of the images are there, the background picture and the foreground picture. These, when two pictures are there, then only it works. Now if we remove the background picture, we can't observe effect for the single picture. A background picture also should be there. Then only we can find the difference for the blending mode. In the color, when we have given the color, we can see the different colors. Colors are there, but the black and white are also hidden here. If we find the luminosity, this luminosity won't do anything. Only darkens the image. This luminosity is only it is helpful to darken the picture. It's a color scheme. It won't take any color or give any color. Only it do is it gives the darkens the color. Picture ni color ni dark chestundannamata. This is about the luminosity. Just you take these things and you play with this. Okay, picture, take two pictures. If you keep the picture here, one thing I will show you. I will take the flowers. Just take this pictures. Take this one, and if you play with the different things, you can observe the means what was the happening. You can observe means if you take this picture there, and if you observe means you can observe what was the means how the picture was blending with the other modes. How it was blending with the other means background picture toti etla blend avutundi anedi manam chuskovalannamata. Soft light it was doing like this. Hard light, luminosity. The luminosity it was there. It was not darkening the color. Just it was lightening the means just the light and it does not take the any color. Just it will give the colors to the picture. That's all. Just take two pictures. Use this option and play with it. You can understand easily, understand the effects. No need of explanation for this part. Just play with these different modes. Then you can understand each part. Luminosity. Yeah. Now moving on to the business card. These you can just no need of the explanatory part for this. Just I have explained how the colors will be variated with the background when we check this option. Now we'll go for the business card. The business card, we have vertical business card and the business card, we have vertical business card and the horizontal business card, vertical business card. Yeah. What is the size? First, we had to know the size. When we are doing the business card, we had to take the first size. What size we had to take the document? File open 3.5 inches and 2 inches. This is it. We had to take this size for the when you are opening the new document. Check which should be 3.5 inches. Here it will be pixels. You had to just had to change 3.5. If we change first one, the next one also will be changing 3.5 and 2 inches. The resolution we should keep 150 RGB. Okay. Then it will be like this. The document will be like this. So what we had to do, I will show you again. The image size should be when we after taking the image, you have to check image size. Means whether it is the proper or not. Here it is in centimeters. If we change here inches, means now it is the proper standard size of the visiting card. And if anybody wants to design a visiting card, you have to check the size of first. You have to check the size. 3.5 should be the width and 2 inches will be the height, and the resolution should be 150 pixels per inch. This is the standard size of the visiting card. First of all, you have to take this size and press OK. Now we got the standard size of the visiting card. After doing the visiting card, after taking the visiting card, we had to take the ruler lines. Okay, ruler lines, మనం ఏం చేస్తాం ఫస్ట్ డ్రాయింగ్ చేస్తున్నప్పుడు ఏం చేస్తాం ఫస్ట్ we will draw the lines when we are drawing the picture. Likewise here also when we are designing the card, every not only the business card, whatever you had you are going to design, after opening the document perfectly you had to draw the lines, means the rulers పెట్టుకోవాలి. అంటే ఇది here rulers, I will show you how rulers will become. Yeah, I have selected. Go for the view. You can find here rulers. Then you can get these ruler scales. Horizontal ruler scale is there. A vertical ruler scale is there. After checking this, take here a ruler, horizontal ruler. After here, you take here ruler, here another ruler. After from this, you had to give the means when printing will be doing. If you do up to edge of the card, then you can't see after printing. Printing mode will be different from the screen mode. Screen mode మనం ఎట్లయితే చూస్తామో ఇలా ఇది ప్రింటింగ్ మోడ్ లో డిఫర్ అవుతుంది అనమాట, చాలా డిఫర్ అవుతుంది. అప్పుడు ఏం చేయాలంటే మనం రూలర్స్ తీసుకొని ఈ ఎడ్జెస్ మనం we had to keep the edges here. After the set we should not do anything. This is called the bleed area. అంటే ఈ ఏరియాని ఏమంటారంటే ఈ బ్లీడ్ ఏరియా. వాట్ ఈస్ దిస్? ఐ విల్ షో యూ. విచ్ పార్ట్ ఐ విల్ షో యూ? ఈ రూలర్ కి పైన ఉన్న పార్ట్ బ్లీడ్ ఏరియా అంటారు. ఈ పార్ట్ లో మనం ఏమి చేయకూడదు అనమాట. జస్ట్ వీ హ్యావ్ టు లీవ్ ద స్పేస్ దేర్. హియర్ దిస్ పార్ట్, this part we had to leave there. Then only we can get the visiting card properly. Ante oka visiting card, oka business card chestunappudu we'll get the proper card. This way then only it will look nicely. I will open a card in that model we will design today. When we are doing the card, you keep the other model, means you take the model and view the model, then it will be the first for the beginners. So you can't design of your own. Take the card and if you design, it will be properly. I have downloaded a model to show for you. Let me check. Yeah. I've downloaded from the net to show for you. HD images, ma'am Prachi, from where you had to download, means a site is there. I will give you the site. Last day I will say after the class I will show you. Prachi, I will show you. I will say
okay,
you last. Okay. We'll take this card and do it. Just this card, we have the black and here we have this one. After that we'll take. One second. Yeah, now I do this. Yeah. This is a means it was nice. So I want to show this card to you. After taking this card, what we had to do is the 3/4 part here is the black color. What we had to do is after taking the bleed area, we had to keep the 3/4 pattern. Means take this ruler line and keep the 3/4 part. Means at the 3/4 part you keep the ruler line. Now we'll take this square box. rectangular box. Yeah, fill that with the black color. Yeah. Now we will here. Yesterday we have learned the pen tool. So we'll cut this here. Or else you can do one thing. With the help of pen tool only you can draw. Take here the pen tool. Draw here. Here keep the separate layer. Draw here. You have to hold shift while drawing. Because you had to get straight line, so you had to hold shift. Fill part with the black color. We'll ask there fill part black color. Okay. Okay. Delete part. Now we'll with the help of tool, we'll take this here. Now reduce according to our card. We'll take the yellow color also, yellow part also with the help of pen tool. We'll draw him. Keep in another layer. And we'll draw with the help of pen tool. A rectangle, triangle. Fill it with yellow color. Fill part, color, select yellow. Okay. Delete part. With the help of new tool. Same, it means it appeared in the same layer. So we had to make another layer. There we had to make this. Ma'am, once again, I will just surely touch you. I will say it. Let me do this. I will explain once again. How black pentagon you do. I heard I am drawing here. No, means I took the model of the image. There I am drawing the pen tool and I am moving. మ్యామ్ ఇప్పుడు శాంపుల్ ఉంది కాబట్టి చేస్తున్నాను, మరి కొత్తగా చేయాలంటే ఎట్లా? అదే చెప్తున్నాను, కొత్తగా చేయాలంటే ఫస్ట్ మీరు చాలా కార్డ్స్, ఒక కార్డ్ తీసుకొని గూగుల్లోకి వెళ్ళి ఏదో ఒక డిజైన్ డౌన్లోడ్ చేసుకొని సేమ్ దాని మీద చేయాలి. ఓన్ గా చేయాలంటే ఫస్ట్ లో బిగినర్స్ ఇట్ వాస్ నాట్ ఎట్ ఆల్ పాసిబుల్.
Ma'am, you copy pasted it.
No, I am not copying pasted. I am doing here. You are not able to the screen. Are you seeing the screen or not?
I am seeing that black part you took from that visiting
No,
card,
this
but
is
then
the
how it
black
came
part
on the white part?
Means I didn't take here. If you check here, this is the original card. Just I have drew the shape for the shape sake. I have drew here. Means I have drawn here. Let me show you again. What I had did, I took the pen tool. Yeah, now Pentagon I'm drawing, you see, everyone you see. Here I'm drawing here. Same, I took the another layer, means you had to check another layer. You can draw. You can see my points or not.
Yes.
Yeah, I'm drawing now. Taking the shape means how you draw, taking the trace of the picture. Same thing I'm doing with the help of this card. I took the model of this card and I'm drawing them. You understood?
Yes.
I'm taking the shape here, means I'm taking it, and I'm drawing the picture with the help of pen. Then what I did, I right click the picture, fill path. Here fill path it was asking. It was asking color, which color? Means the color I'm selecting. If I select the color, I want the black color. Okay. Okay. Then after that, you can delete the path. Means the lines are there. If you want to delete the lines, delete the path. Then take the picture. Means if you take the, means I have, if you done the both layers in the same path, it will be moving same path. You have to do each and every bit in the separate layers. Then you can, as I told you yesterday, whatever you had, you do the work, you keep in layers. You go there, layer. You go there, eyes will be there. If you keep the layer, a layer, your picture will be visible. If you go, means if you take off this selection, your picture won't be visible here. You understood, I think?
Yes, ma'am. That's why you have to keep it visible, no?
Yeah, we have to keep it visible. To show the means I have already drawn here. Drawn. You said I have cut copied. No, I didn't cut copy. Just I took the model here and copied the, means I have drawn the picture. That picture I, with the help of move tool, I have moved here. Now you understood, I think?
Yeah, understood.
Okay. Going on to the next, I had to draw the this this triangle, yellow color triangle. I am drawing with the help of pen tool. Go keep the another layer there. Take the pen tool. Draw. Fill path. What color you had to give? Color yellow. Okay. Okay. I think that picture was not fully, means I didn't complete the picture. That's why it was asking like this. Not fully. Not fully. One second. Control enter and fill a color in the bucket. Here fill the color with the bucket. Then move with the help of move tool. Now it is fine. If you draw one, it means up to here only we have to do. So keep the control T and make the triangle a little bit smaller. If you zoom the path, this point should come match here up to this point. So now both the edges of the point are like this. As the reference image we can get. No, the triangle was not good. Yeah. Yeah, now okay. We have done here up to here. If you see the card, we have done up to here. This rectangle, no need of drawing this. If you take it, go for here. If you go for layer, transform. You can make the means the image to rotate. One second, I'm showing you. I'm saying that. Means if you take the alt over, if you press the alt, and if you duplicate the picture, if you keep the means you can move the direction like this. You can also get the new image like this. I have pressed the alt, hold the alt. I have duplicated and changed the direction. Most of the part I have completed. Only just I had to write the names. The design part I have completed. If you check the here, we have drawn this box, this box, four-sided box and two triangles we have drawn already. Now we had to draw the means for the text, how to insert the text we can give means here means the same with no need of doing the same, but I want to show you the same image, so I have showed you the same. So here we had to write the name, means name of the what you have if you want to write the name. Name of the firm. Suppose if you write my name. Had to take to the center. After writing the name of the firm, there we had to write the designation, designer. We had to make the center for this. What we had to do is select these two. Here you can find the different parts. After selecting this, you can make the center. Means if both we had to make the center. For the box, we had to make center means first select the box layer and this graphics layer. If you select this box and then make the center for this means for this box we had to make the center. After that, for the for this designer designation will be a little bit closer and you have to make the center. Ma'am, once say the dimensions. I will give you the card. You can check the card. I will give you the image in the WhatsApp. The dimensions will be 3.5 into 2 inches. 3.5 inches width, height will be 2 inches. This is a dimension of the wedding, business card. After writing here name, we can write here a down part. We had to write the street name. Yes, street name we had to write. After that, email ID. After that, mobile number. One thing. These should be not this much bigger. This should be very small. For the printing sake, it should be like 8. Street name. I will write the name as a Gandhinagar. Email ID. Upgrade of mobile. One second. So this phone number. These are not written as the means each one we had to write in the different layer. Sorry. After doing this name, Gandhinagar street name, we had to go for another layer and we had to write the email ID. Sorry. Gmail.com. Then we had to go for the other layer and we had to write the next the phone number. I will arrange, last I will arrange them in the proper manner. First I am writing the text. Later I will arrange it properly. I will show you. Mobile number 123 dash 456 dash 7890. Yeah, this is it. And the website. Lastly, the website. I will write and I show you lastly properly. Let me write the text, then we can arrange. Example.com. Now I wrote all the, I am arranging them in proper manner. First the street name, next Gmail ID, mobile number, the sizes should be still more small. Yeah, now okay. A ruler line we had to keep. Here after that, we should keep these icons will be available in the net. We had to go for, if we can check here, if it is available, we can take it. Yesterday we have custom shapes. If we find the icons, icon pack you can take from here. And once yeah, we can find here. You can take here web symbol. Keep control T, still more small size. For the mobile sake, if you go check there, mobile is there, you can. Mobile symbol is there, you can take the mobile symbol and you can keep that. Mobile. Get there. Phone symbol is there. For Gmail also it will be there. Yeah, this is the Gmail. Location icon also will be there. Symbols. This you can take from the Google, no problem at all. You can download the PNG. If you check the location icon with the help of me, if you check location icon, PNG images. If you check the PNG images, you don't get the background for that. Here you can take the sample. Here the location icon we have downloaded. Here. Here background, we got the background so removed. The help of the smart picking, we will remove the background and take only this picture. Now make the picture as small size. We had to change this color to the yellow. Take the bucket tool and we keep this yellow. We got the yellow tool. Still more control T and you can make this picture as the small size and picture here, place here is the symbol. Now you can keep here logo. My logo, I will keep my logo. No, sorry, this is the business card we have done. The horizontal business card we have done the same model as this one. This is the template. When we, after doing this, these are the, if you save the image in the form of PST form, save as sample visiting card. Sample business card. Save. Okay. After closing this, yesterday we have learned that if a file is saved in the PST form, if you want to change the letter, you have written, if you suppose you have written the name wrong. After this, if you change in the, if you save the file in JPG form, you can't change. I will show you after closing this. Now you have saved. I think save. So let's sample business. Yeah, it is the sample business. I'm closing this. If you open again, this one is the sample business card one. Here, if you find the layers, you have 7 layers. Yeah. Here, each one we have done in each layer. So if you want to change the shape here, you can change. If you have designer spelling wrong, you can change. Go there, go to that layer. You can after clicking there, you can change the any part. You can change. If you have done the save the file in PST form, each one we have done in each part. For the future also, you can change each thing in it. Means if you want to change this one, you can change each part. It will be easy for you. If you want to change the whole, means if you want the total part to be visible, save it as you take this file, save as PNG form. PNG form. Here you can find PNG form. Keep your cursor. You can find the sample business card one in the form of PNG. Save. Okay. Now you can see the card, but the layers will not be visible. You can see whole card. How your card will be visible. Now this one. Here your layers is not displayed. Your card will be displayed like this. When we save in the PNG form. You have to keep the rectangular box also to still we had to unselect only the stroke. We had to give the black. Reduce the stroke point. Now save again. As we have done the changes, save as business card one. Save PSD form, and we will save that in the form of PNG form also. Go there, PNG form. Yeah, we have done the horizontal business card. We have done. This is the full the business card horizontal. I will give the sample in the WhatsApp also. No problem for you. You can check. You can check this, and you can with the help of this card, you can make the change. You can try this. This file I will send you in the WhatsApp also. No problem. This PST file I will give you in the WhatsApp. We will do now the horizontal business card. The time is up. Shall we do tomorrow? Brush tools. Krishna. Yeah, I forgot yesterday. I will give you the brush tool. As brush tools I have showed you. I have downloaded from the net. I will give you the brush tool. Let me show some Prechi. You asked about that day how to download brush tools from the Google. I have downloaded.
Actually, I didn't ask that.
Someone
Um,
asked. Someone asked.
that actually I asked about that where you download this HD
Yeah, I
images.
will give you the
Because
tool.
like HD images mere 5 pixels is seen, na?
Yeah, means yeah.
This pixels can be cut
I will show you.
nicely.
Yesterday I have downloaded because I want to give you that also. I will show how you should install. I will show you.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, pets Photoshop brushes means different type of pets are there here. After double clicking here, first we had to extract notice. That's why you had to go for there where I have seen downloads. Here pets tool we had to extract it. This when we are extracting this file, it will be formatted when a brush file will be in the .avr file. Extract it to the specified folder desktop and extracting. Okay. Okay, extracted. Go there Photoshop. Go for the brush tool. Go there brush tool. Here brushes are there. If you press there, you can get not here. Here. When we you press here, a small round wheel will be coming there. If you press there, you'll get this small box there. This box will be asking load brushes. If you load brushes, where we had means we have extracted their desktop. Here, this is a pet's brush top. This will be the icon will be like this. Open, load. We are loading the downloaded brushes. Load. Okay, now we got the brush. We check there after loading the brush. Go there, save. We had to save that also. Save brushes. Pet brushes. Save. So find these brushes. Reduce the size of the brush. If you draw there, you can find this. You can play with this. Different types of pets I have downloaded. Kids will be very happy after seeing these pictures. No need of drawing, just a click you can get the picture.
Ma'am, can you show once again how did you downloaded that one?
I will give you the downloaded file just to install. I will show you. After you have means you have extracted there in the desktop. After you have extracted here from here, just go there, right click and get extracted to the specified file. We have given the here there to desktop. We have extracted their desktop. After go there to the software. What you do is go there brush, go to your brush tool. You can find a small rectangle triangle there. If you press there, it will a setting circle will be there.
Okay.
Here you can find the load brushes. If you go the load brushes, we have the means we have already checked these pet brushes. You have to load brushes here. Then our brushes will be coming here. After coming these brushes, for future sake, you have to save that brushes. Save brushes and you have to save keep their pet file, name the change and save the brush. Then after going there, you can after getting the file, you have to the size is 2500 pixels. If you reduce the size, if you check, it will be very fine. The color is in yellow, so the cat is in yellow color. If you take another color, no. If you do, no, there is pink. It was very looking cute. The cats are very cute here. The brushes are nice or not? I will give you the means a download link. I will give you this. I am giving you a link in the chat box. You can download from there. I have today's class time is up, so the vertical, should I say, means that time will be won't be enough for the vertical visiting card. Tomorrow, can we do that vertical visiting card? We can complete the session tomorrow. I hope everyone understood your today's class. Now everyone can unmute yourself and ask me questions. Fruit brushes you have? No, I don't have fruit brushes. You have to download from the net. Go for the Google and download the Photoshop brushes with you. Thank you, sir. Nagendra Garu. You can ask the questions where you means if anyone has doubts, you unmute yourself and you can ask.
ఎవరికైనా డౌట్స్ ఉంటే అన్మ్యూట్ చేసుకొని అడగండి మేడం గారిని, క్లారిఫై చేస్తారు.
మ్యామ్
Yeah.
గూగుల్ లింక్ షేర్ చేశారు కదా డ్రైవ్ ది, సో దాని నుంచి ఆ పెట్ ఫైల్ డౌన్లోడ్ అవుతుందా?
చూపించాను కదా ఇప్పుడు మీకు డౌన్లోడ్ అవుతుంది, అది ఎక్స్ట్రాక్ట్ చేసి.
అవ్వట్లేదు మ్యామ్, అందుకనే మళ్ళీ జస్ట్ అడిగాను. అది
లెట్ మీ చెక్ వన్ సెకండ్.
అది యాక్చువల్ గా అవ్వట్లేదు. అది
ఓకే, ఐ విల్ చెక్ దట్.
జిప్ ఫైల్ చూపిస్తుంది కానీ అది ఎక్స్ట్రాక్ట్ అవ్వట్లేదు.
ఎక్స్ట్రాక్ట్ అవ్వట్లేదు. ఓకే.
Hello, ma'am. Nagendra here again. Hello. Can you listen to me, ma'am?
Yeah, I can listen.
Yes, ma'am. Today's session was excellent as usual. And this business card thing, creating a business card, it is very professionally useful, I hope, to everyone. And I have a doubt in the blending mode, ma'am.
Yeah.
So, for the foreground images, you have changed certain things and gave some effects, right, ma'am? So, can we do the same to the background images also?
Oh, yeah, you can do everything. You can check there.
Okay. What I thought is
the condition is you have to should keep the two images there. For using the blend
two
mode, you
images
have
is must and should.
Then you can get the, but especially the image will be the upper part of the image only. You will get the effect. The downward, the lower part of the, you can't get their effect.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
It takes the effect from the down part. It takes the upper part, takes from the down part.
Yes, ma'am. Okay. Yeah, thank you very much, ma'am.
Thanks. Anyone can ask your questions. Sir, I hope you followed it today. How was
Pardon, ma'am?
You followed each and every part today?
Yeah, everything I followed, ma'am. Thank you, Will. Thanks a lot.
Krishna Sri, you have any doubts? You are doing every day and sending me. It was very fine. Yesterday she had done the cutting part and sent me. Sai Krishna Sri, unmute yourself and talk.
Ma'am, how to extract the file, ma'am?
Just double click on that. That's all. Go there, double click, then you will get this screen. That means I think you are seeing or not. I will share the screen. Double click there, you can get the extract the image. If the link is not working, I will give you there in WhatsApp, no problem.
Okay.
If the link here is not working, I will check there and give the proper link. Tomorrow we'll see the vertical visiting card, and then same as the ID card also, vertical visiting card you can do same as the vertical ID card also you can do. If you follow the tips of what I have told you today, it will be very easy while doing that.
Yes, ma'am.
Let's see.
Ma'am, can we add images to our business card? Small images.
What you need? Let's see. Ask me again.
Means, like we can add few images in our business card.
You can add. I added no today. Today I added the images. No means icons. I added you know there. You can add no problem.
Okay.
You can add your business card in different type of pictures. You can add. You can add your picture also in your visiting card. No problem.
Yeah.
But tomorrow I will show you the means the digital visiting card what I had prepared. Means we have kept this, and if anyone is interested, means digital visiting card we had to means no need of sharing with the hand to hand. We have prepared the digital visiting card with the help of only you can share the card in WhatsApp itself. I will show you that one in tomorrow. If anyone is interested, I kept for sale that card. That is the digital visiting card. Means due to COVID, we can't share our business card hand to hand. We can't share. So in this COVID time, we had means we invented the digital visiting card. Not invention. We have done the digital visiting card. If you are interested, you can take it. Anyone doubts your queries today's class about how was today's class?
Interesting.
Thank you. Usha garu, did you follow today's class? Useful information. Madam, you can talk now, Madam Usha ma'am. Thank you, Usha garu. Usual, when you usually, I think you are coming from the regularly. Are you following? Okay, ma'am. Anyone has doubts? You download the we download the card from the Google and you try. If you have any doubts, you can ask tomorrow. I will clarify all the doubts. I'm closing this session now. I hope everyone was clear about it.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Harish garu close cheddam. Harish garu
Yeah, ma'am. Okay, madam.
close cheddam sir.
Close cheddam, madam. Okay, madam.
Okay, sir. Thank you, Harish garu. Sir, Ramji sir.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, everyone. Harish
Okay,
garu.
madam.
Thank you.
sir.
Harish garu.
Thank you. మేడం మీరే క్లోజ్ చేసేయండి మేడం మీటింగ్.
నేనే క్లోజ్ చేయనా?
హోస్ట్ మీరే.
మీరే హోస్ట్ చేస్తున్నారు. ఓకే.
మీరే హోస్ట్ మేడం. మీరే హోస్ట్ చేస్తున్నారు, క్లోజ్ చేసేయండి.